And then you also have flesh-colored markers. We know that our bride-to-be love is a true artist indeed. She loves to color. You know, shine in all shades is her thing.
You got it? Move! Okay. All right. Who could draw the most beautiful, artistically creative penis? Dick, verga, finger.
DJ AO is going to play some vibes while we color and hang out. With you. Take it with you. And hold it up. We're going to hold it up. We're going to show it up. We're going to show it up. We're going to take. Just ready to scribble. Wants to use these for her office and frame them, just as far as inspiration as she gets through the day. DJ AO is going to play some vibes while we color and hang out. Get to it, DJ AO, taking it over. If you need glue for your eyeballs, go for it.